There's been a lot of talk about bubbles, but I don't think we are in a classic bubble. A classic bubble would have hyper levels of bidding. It would have an expectation of capital growth and an expectation of economic growth. It would see profit taking, and generally there would be a high level of debt that would be available, and none of those are characteristic of where we are today. That said, what I think we have just seen is a very rapid increase in prices, albeit off a very low base, probably a market that was oversold. And we have a huge demand push on price that's been occasioned by the fact that we have very little product in the market. But if you take a long run trend line and you look to average pricing over a 30-year period, we remain well below levels that were, in real terms, well below value levels that were prevalent in the late 1990s and are on a par with levels that were around in the late 1980s. So is this a bubble? It certainly feels like aggressive buying, but I don't think it's a classic bubble.